Welcome to the program. We will start at the breaking news happened in Taiwan. A group of students in National Zhengzhou University created a dating platform specially designed for school students to solve the excessive single population. According to the famous platform, Descartes, for college students in Taiwan, plenty of students facing the problem of the eager for boyfriend or girlfriend and a method to get one. Many of them even play joke like school will send a companion to each single student. A student team observed this phenomenon and dedicated to set out a platform to make it come true. Also, based on the online questionnaire, the team have accepted 108 responses. 73% of students do not have boyfriend or girlfriend. As there are about 16,000 students in National Zhengzhou University, the team supposes that about 12,000 of them are still single. This student will be the potential user for the team's dating platform.
Hi, I'm Lucia Garcia Obies, and I'm an exchange student from the NCCU. So the aim of our product is to help students from NCCU to find their loved ones in a fast and an efficient way. So correspondingly, the operations on our system are simple but without losing functionality at the same time. And now I'm going to explain you how to interact with our system and what users will have to provide. So first of all, we jump right into the login page, and in this stage we create our very own NCCUpid account and get ourselves ready to key in the ideal type we want. In the ideal keying page, also known as the one page, users will be asked to enter some basic requirements for their first pairing. So there will be two stages of pairing. The first one occurs right after the ideal info is sent out, and if it matches successfully, users will receive a chat room which is available for the following 24 hours. During this period, you can say whatever you want in the chat room and try to let your match know more about you. After a full 24 hours of matching, it's time for our second stage of pairing. If both you and the matched one user would like to extend the pairing or would like to chat a little bit longer, the chat room will be available for an additional 4 days, and both of you will receive some dating recommendations from our system. However, if one of you disagrees, the chat room will shut down immediately and you will have to redo the process from the beginning. Each user can chat with a specific match for at most 5 days and has the chance to start up new conversation every day. So to sum up, NCCUpid is a simple and useful web application that not only you and me, but the whole university could enjoy.
There are many special designs in NCCUpid. Consider that this platform is only for NCCU students. The habit and hate section, which are all related to the characteristics of NCCU. Each section has different keywords. For instance, in the habit section, there are keywords like going to Taipei Zoo, drinking tea at Maokong, sitting in the sun at the playground, and watching Great Friends competition. For the hate section, there are keywords like thief of the fridge, food desert, the fierce bus driver, the dog queen and her dog. This platform do exceed subscription rule to maintain the operation. A premier user has the ability to match unlimited time per day. As for a non-premier user, only once a day. As for the ER diagram for NCCUpid, there are 12 entities in the team's ER diagram. User with attribute user ID and username can be overlapping to entity manager and normal user. Manager with attribute manager ID and tier can edit recommendation. Recommendation with attribute recommendation ID, recommendation date, and update date can disjoin to outfit, delicacy, and schedule. Outfit has 3 attributes, which are button type, top type, and sneaker type. Delicacy has 4 attributes, which are delicacy type, district, city, and delicacy meal time. Schedule has 4 attributes, which are schedule type, schedule content, location, and time. Normal user with attribute user information, user gender, contact information, user age, and department can use full functions. First, normal user can has the one. The one is a weak entity with 5 attributes, which are the one ID, the one hobby, the one sexuality, the one gender, and the one age. Second, normal user can match another normal user. Match is entity with attribute user ID, match ID, match date, successful one pairing, successful two pairing, and match user ID. Third, normal user can has chat message and chat to the chat room. The relationship chat with attribute user ID and chat room ID. The entity chat room with attribute user ID, the one ID, and chat room ID can has message of the entity chat message with attribute chat message ID, text, and time. Last, normal user can select plan. The relationship select with attribute select date, successful transaction, and failed transaction. Entity plan with attribute plan type, price, and discount. For the functional decomposition diagram, NCCUpid can be divided into two interfaces, which are user interface and manager interface. In user interface, there are pages including login, personal information, where user can enter their personal information like name, gender, or else. Ideal input, where user can enter the condition of their ideal type. History, where user can check the past pairing result. Recommendation, where user can see the recommend information of delicacy, outfit, and schedule. Charge information, where user can select plan to become premier user. Chat room, where user can send chat message to another user. Match, where user can do pairing with another user. In manager interface, there are pages including login, user information, pairing result management, system traffic report, and revenue management. The feasibility analysis of NCCUpid can be divided into 3 parts. First, technical feasibility. Since the target group of NCCUpid now only focus on members within NCCU, the data storing and project size are small. Therefore, increasing hardware storage space or purchasing cloud storage space will be one of the focuses on future updates. The initial scale of the system is relatively small, so the team members have the ability to plan, analyze, and build. In other terms, the risk of completing this system is low. Since the users are from different departments in NCCU, not all of them had an informative perspective, so the operation interface are designed to be simple and clear at a glance. Users will not spend too much time on learning how to do operation. Moreover, NCCUpid can run not only on computers, but also on mobile phones and tablets. NCCUpid will be maintained and updated in a 1-year cycle. The content includes storage space expansion, operation interface optimization, and so on. Thus, if any errors are found in the system within a year, it will be repaired and improved immediately. Second, financial feasibility. There will be median capital requirement to start a business, and it is expected to start making profit from the 3rd year. Last, market feasibility. Similar systems now existing are Tinder and Tantan. The trend analysis is that, as instant love is becoming more and more popular, NCCUpid fit well with the trend. Unlike traditional slow-paced progress, the user of NCCUpid now has a chance of knowing each other, pairing, and holding date within several hours or at most a day. The risk analysis is that the initial capital required isn't very high. The team also possesses the ability to set up the system and can make the system run on different devices. NCCUpid is a platform managed to balance the functionality and pricing. As a result, the project has a medium to low risk. Okay, it's time to end the show. Thanks for your listening. Wish to see you on the next program.